Today we're looking at the JetFlux Pressure Washer and asking the big question, is it legit or is it just another overhyped product? JetFlux is marketed as a high-powered pressure washer that attaches to your regular garden hose. It claims to use something called hydropower technology to instantly blast away dirt, grime, and stains on everything from driveways and patios to cars and siding. The promise is effortless cleaning without spending on professional services. Sounds amazing, right? But let's see if it actually lives up to the hype. The first big claim is that JetFlux delivers extreme cleaning power using just a standard garden hose. According to the website, it can instantly eliminate dirt and stains on driveways, decks, cars, fences, and more. Here's the problem: normal garden hoses simply cannot generate the same pressure as professional pressure washers, which usually need electric or gas-powered pumps. So the idea of pro-level cleaning without proper equipment is extremely exaggerated. Most garden hose attachments struggle to remove tough stains or moss from surfaces like concrete or wood without scraping or chemicals. Next, the product promises savings, saying you won't need expensive equipment or professional cleaning services. While a nozzle like this is cheaper than a full pressure washer, it cannot realistically replace professional-grade cleaning. The claims of zero effort and all cleaning problems solved are just too sweeping and lack any real technical basis. Another big claim is that it saves money by replacing pricey services. Professional pressure washers can generate over 3,000 psi to clean deep stains, mold, or algae. A small tool like JetFlux doesn't come close to that power, which means you might end up spending more time and water trying to get the same results. If we look at user reviews on Amazon and Trustpilot, a different picture emerges. Many users report that the product underperforms, sometimes feeling no stronger than a normal garden hose. Some units even arrive broken or poorly packaged. Marketing videos are misleading, exaggerating what the tool can do, and the website itself can be confusing, with hidden charges and tricky checkout processes. Customers also complain about cheap materials, lack of instructions, and the difficulty of using it safely. Some even suspect the site works like a dropshipping operation with questionable legitimacy. So, is JetFlux a scam? Not exactly. You will probably receive something if you order it. The issue is that the claims are wildly unrealistic. Many of these units are actually available on Alibaba for just a few dollars, but the website sells them for 5 to 10 times the price. Essentially, it's overpriced and overhyped. The takeaway: JetFlux isn't going to replace a real pressure washer, and it's important to be cautious before buying. It might work for very light cleaning, but don't expect miracles. Always read user reviews, compare prices, and understand that if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.